Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Genevieve Brown and I live in the beautiful Surrey Hills. I have a studio in the garden and I will take you on a little tour and show you what paintings I've got on my wall. But I do have a whole stack of them waiting to be framed. So I do hope you'll pop around and visit me during the Surrey Artists Open Studios event, which takes place this September. See you then. This is a painting I've been working on with collage and acrylics. Came about during COVID, and I just started painting and these faces appeared, and then I added collage, and just reminds me of my daughter. She's a nurse, and you know, it's just the fear of COVID and everything. Anyway, that's what came out of that one. These are some small paintings I'm doing, and I have a whole pile of them. This is my new work, which is just waiting for the frames to come in. This is some of my earlier work here, all a mix of oils, acrylics, collage. Here's some semi-abstracts, which I love painting. Quite colourful, as you can see. And I also like doing plein air painting. These are three of my latest paintings that I did in the local area. I'll show you the painting the right way up. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I don't like this large cloud here. I'm going to take that out. I'm just putting a bit of sky colour in here to break that up a bit. I think it just distracts from the whole painting. And that's a little bit purple. I think I might just leave a little wispy bit there. That looks quite nice. And I think I just need to do something here, just too solid, I think. I'll make it a bit brighter here where the light is shining. Oh, it's too purple. Lay that down again. That's a lot better. What do you think? Open Studios launches on the 19th of September and closes on the 4th of October. My studio is part of the Dorking Artist Trail. We are producing a leaflet with directions and opening times. These will be placed in West Humble and Dorking stations, local restaurants and pubs. You can also send me a message on my website, jenbrown.com, and I will send you a copy by email.